guys, today I'm going to be reviewing and coloring Chalk of the Town chalkboard t-shirt kit. And they also have an Instagram and Facebook. They go by My Chalk of the Town, and I have an Instagram and I go by Redlilmissy. And also it comes with this erasing cloth, this stencil, this chalk marker, and I got these chalk markers special. So let's start coloring. First I'm going to start with the outline. So I don't know what I'm making, but I know I'm making something special. Wait. Okay. This hot pink looks super cute. And I have a heart in the middle that says love. So now I'm going to do green. Ooh, this is lime green. And then here is my, droopy. Here is my shirt. Pop, pop,